others, you have to screw it like this one. So screw this and press it backwards and pick it like this. Place it over there and you keep your screw somewhere safe. So after you take the hard drive out, you can screw other things. This is the keyboard. Bring it closer. Then screw the keyboard knob and screw this one too. Stand here. And this also necessary. That screw also necessary. You need to get a good tool set to do this. Screw this. Then, okay, these are different Allen keys. Now you can eject this out. Call that one to advance the CD-ROM. Then you can take our rounds out just for it to be safe. Then the next thing is to look for where there are other screws that needs to be unscrewed. Okay, so with this type of screws you need to change the mark to this, and let's see. Okay, it's smaller, so we'll pick a bigger one. This. Okay, so we're going to screw this one. Screw this one too. And screw that one also. And then we quickly unscrew the edges, so you can start from the edges and come inside, or from the inside to the edges. So now I'm at the edges, so you just have to open this up like this. It normally covers the screw in there, and you can unscrew it out. You've got to unscrew everything that needs to be unscrewed. So you've got to also lift this one too up. You can use your fingernails to do it. And take this also out and unscrew. Then you have to unscrew these little screws at the, so you look for a smaller knob to open. Let me see if this could do. Okay, so there's a CD on side. Remember, we want to dismantle everything, so we're taking everything out. Okay, so now we've taken the battery, the CD-ROM, the hard drive, and so what you normally do is turn it and shake it a bit. so that if there are any screws yet to fall, they could fall. Normally when they don't come out, you just have to take them out. Yes. Lifting them like that. Lift it up. Lift this up. Okay, so this is okay. Because it's magnetic, it picks it up. And okay, so pick that up. And 1, 2, 3. So you still need to put this guy out. If it's not coming, you leave it. Then what you can quickly do is turn it down and see if it will fall. If it isn't falling, do it again. Alright, so now after you're done with this, you turn it up again, and you got to get a keyboard out. So what we do is, there's a keyboard portion here. You press it, you press that. So, you press this down, and you can take your keyboard out. So you look for where the keyboard indicators are on the board. You just press it and it pushes it out, and you just slide it down. Then you just take this up, so you have a keyboard. So if you want to replace your keyboard that is faulty, this is all you have to do and get it replaced. With that, you just have to unscrew the screws at the keyboard locations. So you take this out. Let's just remove the escape key. All you have to do is just fix it back and press it, and it's locked. So we can now brush it if we want. So we put that here. Then we just have to unscrew this. And unscrew that. And you just need a brush. So, I think there's something. Okay, so I just realized this is out without me taking it out. So I'm going to fix it in. Yeah. You take the black lever up, then set it down. So I'm gonna try something and see. Okay. Alright, so still not okay. So that's the mouse touchpad. So with this, we now have to take this out. So what you do is to take a flat mouthpiece like this and run across the edges. So we start slowly Just slowly. Try to lift it up. Lift it up. Gently. You can use a knife. That's okay. Anything that's flat you can enter. So come to this edge. Let's go around it one by one. Slowly, carefully. Okay, you have to take this out. Then you can lift this side up. Okay. So what we do is if you have long alright, so when you come here, lift it up slightly. And check if there's anything holding it down. Check if you've unscrewed everything. So alright, we've got to take this panel out. You just have to take it out like this, and we've got to also unscrew this one now. So whenever you are doing it and it's not coming out, just take your time, see whether there's something that is not taken out. So this has to come out separately. Then let's try and open it up again and see. This. Okay, so you now have to take this screw out. It's still holding the board. So anytime you are doing it, you just have to be easy. And once you are easy on it, everything falls into place. So now, the true, I think. What you got to do now is there is another lever here. You just have to raise it up, take the key out, and you're almost through. So from here, you just have to pick it out like this. So all you have to do is to take the power knob out here. You just have to push this out. To take this out, lift this lever, and that's it. So we have our board detached. This is the top part, and this is the remaining part. Now you need to do some cleaning with a brush. Right now what we want to fix is the power supply. It's over here, connector. This is the power supply connector. It's over here. It comes all the way to this board, and it's connected underneath. It seems to have been bent a bit. Seems to have been bent a little. So it's probably the reason why power isn't flowing through. Sometimes the contact here that is within this and that is most of times loose. So what you do is to get either this or a small screwdriver, fix it into this and pull it out. So as you can see the 4 terminals, 1, 2, 3, 4. They were some time ago really sunk in, so there's no contact to this area. So you just have to push it out and make sure it's out to have enough contact. Now this is where the problem is. It seems to have been bent over here. You see the 4 square, 4 square, 4 square, 4 square, but this is slightly bent. It means you've plugged in the charger for longer hours than it should, so it's melted the connector to the board, so it's not giving it power. So what we got to do now is to replace this or fix this. So first I'm gonna blow this and get the dust out of it.